Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki's Journey 2.0, and for tonight's video we will do our skincare. Today this morning I was in Action and bought this Eliza Jones Retinol Wrinkle Repair. Oops. A retinol wrinkle repair because I have a lot of wrinkles because of the stress that I have from my bigo and from the people giving me stress in bigo. And this also a toning serum, and this is a retinol wrinkle repair. So we're gonna just unbox this because this is very new. No, later I will do first washing my face. Wash face, guys. Look, makeup gyapon, no. Mora na yung manghilamos na. Mora na yung manghilamos na nagya po yung makeup, no? Hindi rin matanggal. So, that's technology. That's technology, very unique. See? See that? Lovely people. That you cannot take off my makeup. Even we forever young. I wanna be forever young. So first I think this, I'm not sure. This is a toning serum. This is not sponsored. I buy this from my own money. And we need to do like that. Oops, uy. I wanna be forever young. Oops. See that? This is baho man ni, baho. Yeah, I think this will be oops. And then I'm gonna put it's done. So I'm gonna open this, guys, and then here is the cream. It's new. This one. And you know what? It's very good smell. I don't know. Maybe they will be biting each other. First time, no? But in fairness, it's very good smell. Very good smell. Bisaya man kita. Oh yeah, it's good. So oops. So before we go to the Philippines, we need to have a nice nails, a nice hair, of course. Then we will go to the parlor. Oh yeah. No. And then nice nails. And then go to the garden and clean. Guys. I wanna be forever young. Oops. And clean first. Forever young. I wanna be forever young. Tak. So, finish with our Saan man kaya ni atong filter? Sorry guys, my original face is not like this. So everybody knows me for a long time. They know. They know how ugly I am, guys. So don't believe what you see now. Don't believe what you see now. But now, see now. That's only a filter. Filter pa more. Filter pa more, guys. So, I just finished my 20 minutes YouTube live, and I just finished also my like 30 minutes also Bigo live. So if you want to support me, you can go to my OF, to my Patreon, my Bigo, whatsoever. Then stay connected with me, guys. And I would like to say thank you to all my channel members. Thank you very much. We are now a little bit, a lot, a little bit, a lot. Thank you, and see you in my next vlog.